Standing at the end of Karl Johans Gate in the heart of Norway's capital, the Royal Palace serves as the official residence of the Norwegian monarch. Overlooking the city from a gentle hill, the palace has become one of Norway's most recognisable landmarks and a symbol of the nation's constitutional monarchy. Construction began in 1825, during the union between Norway and Sweden under King Charles III John. Designed by architect Hans Ditlev Franciscus Lindstow, the palace was intended to provide a royal residence in Christiania, the city now known as Oslo. Unlike many European royal residences built as fortified castles, the Royal Palace of Oslo was designed in a restrained neoclassical style. Its elegant facade, grand ceremonial halls, and landscaped park reflected the ideals of a modern monarchy rather than military power. Throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, the palace witnessed major events in Norwegian history, including the dissolution of the union with Sweden in 1905 and the establishment of an independent Norwegian monarchy under King Håkon VII. Since then, it has remained closely connected to Norway's national identity. The palace grounds, known as Palace Park, were carefully designed to provide green space for both the royal family and the public. Today, the park remains one of Oslo's most popular recreational areas, blending royal heritage with everyday city life. Today, the Royal Palace continues to function as the working residence of King Harald V and the centre of many state ceremonies. From national celebrations to the famous daily changing of the guard, the palace remains a living symbol of Norway's monarchy, history, and democratic traditions.